Ever wish meal prep could happen at the push of a button? Today, we're diving into the best food processors that chop, slice, and blend in seconds, freeing you from tedious kitchen chores. Whether you're whipping up smoothies or mastering salsa, stick around to find the ultimate culinary sidekick. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Duo Plus 12 Cup Food Processor, the best budget food processor. Meet the Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Duo Plus 12 Cup Food Processor, your kitchen's new best friend. With an impressive motor, this machine tackles tough ingredients effortlessly, making food prep a breeze. You'll love its adjustable slicer featuring 24 settings. Whether you want paper-thin slices for salads or thick cuts for hearty dishes, this feature offers versatility like no other. A reversible shredder simplifies shredding tasks, giving you the option of fine or coarse results without multiple tools. User-friendliness stands out with its micro-serrated S-blade. This thoughtfully designed blade cuts through food effortlessly, enhancing your kitchen experience. For those who enjoy baking, the dedicated dough blade ensures uniform mixing for perfect dough every time. Testing this food processor revealed another bonus: ample capacity for larger meals or batch cooking. While it might take up a bit more counter space, the extra room transforms meal prep, saving you time when cooking for family or gatherings. What shines most is the blend of functionality and ease. You'll find your culinary creativity flourishing as you navigate through various tasks seamlessly. One aspect to consider is its larger footprint. While it requires a bit more space, that sacrifice translates into higher capacity for all your kitchen adventures. The Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Duo Plus 12 Cup Food Processor combines efficiency, versatility, and simplicity. Up next, discover a powerhouse that turns chopping chaos into effortless cuisine. At number 4, we have GE Food Processor, the best value food processor. Need a reliable kitchen companion that won't break the bank? Check out the GE Food Processor. This sleek stainless steel model packs a punch with a capacity of 12 cups. It can slice, chop, blend, and more, making it an excellent choice for those who cook regularly. One significant advantage is its versatility. With 3 feed tube sizes and 3 pulse speed options, you can easily handle various ingredients, from large vegetables to delicate herbs. This level of adaptability is often missing in similarly priced models. Chopping onions? It takes a bit longer than some higher-priced alternatives, but the even results are still impressive. Carrots? You'll find consistent shredding without excessive mess, which is a huge plus for quick meal prep. Buying options allow you to choose between a standard set or a full accessory bundle. The basic kit includes 2 reversible blades and a stainless steel mixing blade, while the full bundle offers additional tools. This flexibility means whether you're a novice or an experienced chef, there's a set that suits your needs. One slight drawback is that some shredded pieces may require a quick manual check. However, the ease of use and efficiency outweigh this minor issue. What I love most about the GE Food Processor is its sturdy design and reliability. It balances power and efficiency perfectly. Stick around. Our next pick brings professional-grade features without the hefty price tag. Still searching for the perfect food processor? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Cuisinart DFP-14BCNY Food Processor, the best large capacity food processor. Chop, slice, and shred your way to culinary excellence with the Cuisinart DFP-14BCNY Food Processor. This powerful kitchen tool stands out as the best large capacity option available. You'll appreciate how its solid base holds steady, even when kneading dough. The bowl's straight edges make scraping and cleaning a breeze, so you spend less time on cleanup and more on your dishes. A favorite feature includes the paddle design of the buttons. Easy to use, they require just a simple push, eliminating the hassle of touchpads found in other models. If space is an issue, the large feed tube fits potatoes and cheese effortlessly, while the smaller tube accommodates skinny items like carrots with ease. Cleanup is simple too. Accessories are dishwasher safe, so you can toss them in without worry after meal prep. However, you might find the slicing and shredding attachments slightly tricky to assemble and disassemble. While it can be a bit of a puzzle, it's manageable once you get the hang of it. What I love most about this processor is its versatility. Whether you're preparing soups, salads, or dough, it excels at chopping onions and mincing parsley, making your cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable. The Cuisinart DFP-14BCNY food processor offers exceptional performance and convenience. Hold tight, a large capacity marvel that handles every batch in one go is charging up. At number 2, we have Zyliss Easy Pull Food Processor, the best manual food processor. Meet the Zyliss Easy Pull Food Processor, the best manual food processor on the market today. This compact device makes meal prep effortless and fun. No electricity is needed. Just a simple pull of the handle gets you started. One of the standout features is the dual blade design. Blades spin in opposite directions, ensuring even chopping without pushing food around. You'll find it incredibly efficient for preparing chunky salsas or silky purees with minimal effort. A few pulls produce perfectly chopped onions, while hard items like carrots break down quickly. Cleanup is a breeze too. With few moving parts and a small design, food residue has no place to hide. This makes it perfect for outdoor activities, like camping or barbecuing, when space and time are limited. Enjoy chopping without worrying about washing a complicated gadget when you're done. While the Zyliss Easy Pull is a fantastic tool, it does have a smaller capacity compared to electric models. This might be a consideration if you often cook for large groups. However, its compact size makes it easy to store and handle, which is a trade-off many will appreciate. Don't blink. A handheld wonder that chops, purees, and spins with just a pull awaits. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Breville Sous Chef Food Processor, the best food processor overall. Get ready to revolutionize your cooking with the Breville Sous Chef Food Processor. It stands out as the best food processor overall, thanks to its robust features and exceptional performance. First, the powerful motor tackles tough ingredients effortlessly. You'll enjoy how quickly it handles whatever you throw at it, whether you're chopping onions or slicing carrots. Versatility takes center stage here, with an adjustable slicer offering 24 settings. Choose from paper-thin slices for salads to thicker cuts perfect for hearty meals. You'll appreciate the user-friendly design, especially the micro-serrated S-blade. This blade works through food like a knife, ensuring quick and efficient preparation. For those who love baking, the dedicated dough blade guarantees your mixtures turn out just right. One thing to note is its larger footprint. While it takes up a bit more counter space, this extra capacity pays off for batch cooking or larger gatherings. It means fewer sessions in the kitchen when preparing meals. After extensive testing, this food processor has proven its worth by saving time and effort. You'll love how much easier cooking becomes with such a reliable appliance. Its combination of performance and simplicity makes it enjoyable to use. The Breville Sous Chef Food Processor elevates your kitchen experience with versatility and ease. Don't miss out on exploring this exciting addition for your culinary adventures. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best food processors. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which food processor you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.